When I met Magnus, I told him how I thought Capablanca was better than him. He laughed and he sent me this. Now, for those of you who cannot read Spanish, this is what he said, right? So basically, Capablanca had been like 7 years without losing a game. And in this specific position as the white pieces, he simply played queen a8 and his opponent resigned because of rook takes e8. However, Joseph Blackburn, he was looking at the game. He was already 78 years old. And when the game was over, he said, you know what, Capablanca, I think you should think about retiring because this move actually leads to an equal position. And the move, not only did he show that rook a2 is completely equal now. If they take, well, we take your queen and everything is defended. If you take over here, of course, I take on b8. So not only did he show this with the 78 years of age, he also showed that instead he should have played rook takes rook and then queen a4. I'm hitting your rook, I'm hitting your queen, and if you take me, well, there is checkmate on the back rank. Of course, I was kidding about Carlsen versus Capablanca. This is nonsense to compare them, but what do you think? Do you enjoy more Capablanca's games or Magnus's style? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in our next video.